You're watching How Leap. Let's see how to turn on story comments if they are disabled on your Instagram account. Open the Instagram app and go to your profile page. Tap the menu icon in the top right and select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and tap on how others can interact with you. Next, tap on Story Replies. Here you will see two main options. The first is Allow Story Replies from. Tap this to choose who can comment. You can select everyone, people you follow, or people you follow and mutual follows. The second option is a Allow Message Replies toggle. This should be turned on to let people use the message sticker or quick replies on your story. If story replies are completely off, you will see an option to turn them on here. Also, check the Hide Story Replies section to ensure you haven't hidden replies from specific people, which would make it seem like they are disabled. Once you make your selections, the changes are effective immediately for your next story. Remember, story comments appear in your direct message inbox as replies, not as public comments under the story. For more simple Instagram settings tutorials, subscribe to the channel.